Good morning to all the students. This assignment is for class 7th for the subject of general knowledge dated 19th April 2021. Today we will do lesson 2, words of Indian origin. Introduction. Etymology. Etymology is the study of the history of words. The etymology of a word means its origin and development throughout history. Etymology not only enhances your understanding of your native languages but also gives you insights into its shared roots with other languages. Tracing the roots of English words with entirely Indian origins. India's fascinating cultural history marked by Mughal emperors, Portuguese and English colonialists and more have shaped a large part of what this country is today. But what few people realize is that India has influenced these rulers right back. Focusing solely on the British Raj, our colonial history is part of our reflection today. And the relationship between Britain and India is visible today in the English language spoken across the world. From words with an apparent Indian origin, such as yoga, to ones with a more inconspicuous Hindustani source, such as candy, several common terms of this language have evolved from Hindi, Urdu, and Sanskrit, standing as yet another example in time of the cultural and linguistic intermingling of this melting pot of a world. Two India enthusiasts, Henry Yule and author C. Burnell, began to assemble a compilation of English words with Asian origins used by the British in India and curiously named it Hobson and Jobson. Keeping up the tradition, we decided to follow the trend of English words influenced by Hindustani languages and crafted a short list. First, avatar, tracing the roots of the word avatar, which first appeared in English way back in the 18th century, brought us to the Sanskrit word avatarna, meaning descent. From avatarna, Sanskrit. Second, bandhana, the method of dyeing fabric by tying it in multiple places is known as bandhanu in Hindi, which is where the large colorful handkerchiefs or bandhanas get their name from. From bandhanu, Hindi. Third, Bengal, having first appeared in English in the 1780s, the ornament bangle draws its origin from beautifully colored glass bracelets or anklets known as bangris, from Bangri, Hindi. Fourth, bungalow, dating back to the 17th century when one-story cottage-like houses were built in Bengal for early European shelters. The source of the common English term bungalow can be traced to the Hindi word bangla, which literally means Bengalis, implying a house built in the Bengal style. From Bangla, Hindi. Fifth word, candy. Starting from the Sanskrit khanda, another word for sugar, it journeyed to Persia, where it became Kwandi, meaning cane sugar, making its way to France. Old French refers to sugar candy as sucre candy, which then became candy in English. From Khanda, Sanskrit. Sixth word, Kashmiri. The soft, smooth shawls with intricate designs in various colors find their name dating back to the 1680s, christened by the old spelling of the Himalayan state Kashmir, where wool for this garment came from long-haired goats. From Kashmir, name of an Indian state.